Hello everyone. So now we are going to start our new video series, that is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate level. So in my previous video series I have completed the CCNA in detail with detailed theory as well as practical, and I really want to thankful and appreciate to all of you to encourage me there and demand for more video series on AWS. So I'm going to start that video series also. So first let me introduce Ajay Sharma. Overall 17 plus years of experience in training and delivery on Microsoft, Cisco, cloud computing, AWS and Azure. So if you talk about AWS certifications first, there are three levels. One is the associate level, professional level and specialty level. Associate level solution architect as well as SysOps admin. Professional level again solution architect. At specialty level there are three specialties you can do: either big data, security and advanced networking. So this time in this video series I'm going to focus on solution architect. So in this entire video series I will cover each and every topic that you require to appear for the exam. You should have a good knowledge in all the topics. So I will design the entire video series. I will record the entire videos in the same manner. Like you can see here, I am going to cover all the 13 modules as per global curriculum or for the certification. We will cover all the theoretical parts as well as practical demonstration there. Okay, topic can be some lengthy like VPC, EC2, security. Topic can be some lengthy, can take 4 to 5 videos in each series on each topic. So have patience, give your time. You will learn all the theoretical as well as practical demonstration there. As we do all the practical on the latest console of AWS 2024, you will not find any video series like this on the entire YouTube to demonstration on the 2024. You just need to have patience, give your time, learn and appear for the exam. And I promise you, and what I can say, I just say you, I confirm with you, if you watch all the videos completely here, you need not to go for any training anywhere in any institute. You learn each and every topic. Theory is lengthy, but it will be very helpful for you in your examination point of view and your work point of view. Okay, so have patience. In my next video, we will start with the introductory part of cloud computing. As you are here on the AWS, it means cloud computing is very much clear to you, or you should have the basic concept at least of what is cloud computing. But still, for your clarification, I will go for the introductory part of cloud computing. After that, we will cover each and every topic one by one. Every week, you will get at least 2 videos. So please like, share and subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification there. So thank you. Tomorrow you will get your first video on cloud computing. After that, one by one, we cover each and every topic. So thank you very much.